My new assistant. Her name is Fahhh. Alright people, welcome to my kitchen. I'm right here in Bangkok, Thailand in my house. Finally I have a new assistant to work with. She's from Burma and speaks Thai and she knows absolutely zero English. I don't know how we're going to communicate. So we're going to cook green curry and masala vada. Let's see how it goes. Green curry.
Green curry.
I'll tell you. Right. Green curry is this.
Gang.
Gang?
Gang เขียวหวาน
Uh-huh.
Gang เขียวหวาน
Okay. I don't know what is that. So we use coconut milk. Yeah? Coconut milk, green curry.
Green curry
Yes. So
กะทิกะทิ
Khati, coconut. Huh?
กะทิ
Khati.
กะทิ
Khati is coconut.
ไทยกะทิ
Khati?
Yeah
Okay. Cool. So carrot we need. We need 1 carrot.
Okay
So this we're going to do vada.
วาระ
Vada.
Vada.
Indian. Yeah?
วาระ
Masala vada. Masala vada.
มาซะ
Okay. So you people in a Thai you use this, yeah, for everything. Chicken curry, pork curry, all curry you'll use this. This is brinjal. Brinjal.
เรนโจมะเขือ
Makkah.
มะเขือ
Makkah.
Yeah ใช่
Cool. Makkah. Yeah, it's more important that I learn Thai than you.
ใบมะกรูด
Huh?
ใบมะกรูด
By makot.
มะกรูด
Lemon leaves, huh?
Yeah
So what is this?
don't know
You don't know? This is pepper. Pepper.
Pepper.
Green pepper.
อ๋อพริกไทย
Yeah.
เม็ดพริกไทย
Thai.
พริกไทย yeah
Cool. So the mushrooms. I have to use the whole mushrooms. Can you wash it, please? Take the bowl. You can take a bowl from there. There. Oops. No.
okay
Broccoli.
broccoli
Yes. What is it in Thai?
broccoli
Broccoli. Also broccoli.
yeah
Cool. That's nice. this side. So first is garlic and onion.
Oh.
Garlic.
Katiam.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Garlic, onion.
Onion.
Katiam and onion.
หอมแดง
Homdang.
หอมแดง
Katiam and
Homdang.
homdang. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we start with katiam and homdang.
โอ้
Lovely. Cool. So then we add some carrot.
ใช่แล้ว
Carrot is going. And carrot, this one, brinjal, because that is also a little hard. Green curry paste.
green curry paste
Green curry paste. Good. Good. Too much?
yeah.
Or all? Should I put all? Let's put it all. So now I'm dropping the mushrooms. So
หอม
smelling good, huh? Oh my god. Water. Yeah. Fill water, yeah. So now we drop the broccolis. The green pepper. More. Full. Thank you. Kapung kap. Yes. Kapung kap. Salt. So now we put the meat inside. So we put the ginger, yes,
chili
chili. So we need to break and put it. Lots of chili. Enough.
chili
Nice. See? No.
no
Alright people, thank you so much for watching till the end. My green curry turned out really well and the vada was amazing. Cooking with Fahhh was fun, though not so easy. Sadly, that was our last day, so I'm still looking for a new helper. Most of them come from Myanmar and they speak very little Thai or English. I'm really looking forward to be working with a Thai girl here in Bangkok, and we wanted to put up a good cooking show together. Please hit the subscribe button and support me, and let's take this channel to the next level. See you in my next video. Ciao. And now let's see how the vada looks.